Welcome back to the channel. This is going to show you how to achieve the hairstyle you just saw, which is a big small feed in cornrow. The way of feeding this in is different. It's like the former Ghana weaving style that we knew before it was made to look a little bit more natural by hiding in the hair extension. But because my hair is due for touch up and I just wanted to stretch out my relaxer time, it was okay with her flipping it over my hair because it's going to help reduce the frizz or reduce how fast my hair is going to freeze up over the braids, and it's forming like an extra protective layer. The shortcoming of this style is just that it doesn't look as natural as when you make the feeding invisible, like when you add the hair extension but make it look like it's just your natural hair. So when she was done with the bigger braid, now she made the tiny braid. When she got to the back of my neck, like to the back part, she stopped and then sectioned off the next big braids, and when she braided that one towards the back, she added in the tail of the tiny braid, so that we won't end up having big tails, tiny tail, big tails at the end of my braid. So it's easy and neater this way. I am going to let you see again how to do this type of feeding cornrow for people it is foreign to. You add the hair extension over the cornrow you are making, and this was how we used to do it back in the days before the modification to make it look more natural came up. And I am just going to let you watch. When we were done with the braid, she trimmed it, we added beads, put the hair in hot water, and just did something about this my edges. It's already like, if you're not new to my channel, you know my edges are it is what it is situation and it is what it is, I beg, so no look am. But that was how we made the hair, and it turned out beautiful and simple, and I really love it. So let's just keep watching. I hope you've not been skipping the ads that play as you watch the video, because that's the only way I can make some coins. So if you want to be supportive, please do that. Don't skip the adverts that play as you watch the video, so that God will be blessing everybody, now. Thank you. If you know someone that would enjoy this video, please share with that person and let me know what you think in the comment section. Okay, let's continue.